Present simple tense. We use the present simple tense for repeated present actions or habits. I drink coffee every morning at 7 a.m. Or for general facts. The sun rises in the east. And also for future timetables. My flight leaves at 10 p.m. Present simple tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end. I work hard. He works hard. Now we're gonna see the affirmative form, question form, and negative form of the present simple tense by using the verb walk. The affirmative form will be I walk, you walk, he walks, she walks, it walks. We walk, you walk, they walk. The question form of the present simple tense is by adding do or does before the subject. Do I walk? Do you walk? Does he walk? Does she walk? Does it walk? Do we walk? Do you walk? Do they walk? The negative form of the present simple tense is by adding not after do or does. I don't walk. You don't walk. He doesn't walk. She doesn't walk. It doesn't walk. We don't walk. You don't walk. They don't walk. Words following the present simple tense are always, every, often, never, normally, usually, sometimes, first, then. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel English with Naya and see you next time. Bye bye!